Hey, are the drone police coming? Are the drone police coming?
Please stop recording me.
You're telling me I can't fly a drone, right?
Please stop recording me.
I need an explanation from you. Either you're here to harass me. That's why you're in this area. You were called to harass me.
I'm not following you around.
I'm sorry?
I'm not following you around.
Okay, so let's just be clear then.
Okay.
You're staying here in this area.
I asked you, please stop recording.
Okay. But you're here to stop me from flying the drone, right?
Don't say nothing.
Are you or are you not here to stop me from flying the drone?
I just recalled them again.
Why are you afraid to give your name? I'm not trying to like make you uncomfortable. I mean, but you are claiming to be the authority here. So why would you be afraid to give your name? I told you my name, I showed you my license, I showed you my purpose for being here, and you just keep walking away.